Hi! Recording live from the Turner Free Library, it's Election Day, and we are here with the winners and the losers.
The results are in, and we're going to be hearing from the winners and the not winners, or losers as we may call them, right here live on TFL.
With their victory speeches and their concession speeches. Live.
Oh, good news? Yeah. This is so great! Oh, we gotta tell all our friends. We gotta tell Timber, and we have to tell. Oh wait, no, wait. Those aren't our friends. That's Winnie's friends. Oh, you're right. We have to tell Donald Duck. Oh yeah. Donald, and we have to tell. Oh my goodness, who's the other one? I totally forgot his name.
Goofy.
Goofy! Yeah, let's tell Goofy! Yeah! He's gonna say, oh yuck! Yeah! Oh my goodness, thank you guys so much! Thank you to Donald and Goofy and all of our friends who always have these fun adventures with us. We're gonna have a great 4 years! Thank you so much!
Oh, Pooh, we lost the election. We did? Who won? It was Mickey and Minnie. Oh, well, that makes sense. They've been friends for over 90 years. I don't mind losing to them. They're going to make a great team. But we do want to thank everyone who voted for us. Yay!
Yes? We lost! What? We lost? Why? Well, I mean, it's a good thing, though.